Good morning, class. Today, before our lesson, we are going to learn a little bit about how to apply Pythagorean' theorem into our everyday lives. Pythagoras lived around the year 570 BC. He is a Greek philosopher and mathematician, and he's best known for introducing the Pythagorean theorem. Architecture and construction is one of the most obvious applications of this theorem. This next application is dealing with what type of TV you should buy. There's lots of different sizes. Take a few moments, read through this problem, and see if it makes sense. The Pythagorean theorem is also used in something called triangulation. It is a method for pinpointing a specific location when you know two reference points. This next example is actually one that we will be doing together later in class. It has to do with finding the distance between the bases in a baseball diamond. When earthquakes happen, geologists are able to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the center source of the earthquake. These next two examples are very similar. One has to do with a painter painting a wall, and the other has to do with a firefighter climbing a building. But they both use the Pythagorean theorem when figuring out where to put the ladder with regards to the building. In the midst of a crime scene, forensic investigators are able to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out the bullet trajectory. Archers are able to use the Pythagorean theorem when figuring out what angle they need to be at in order to hit the target.
The Pythagorean theorem could also be used when finding the shortest distance between 2 points. This could be used when going on a road trip.
Now, for the remainder of the class, when we're going over the Pythagorean theorem, you are able to realize how you can actually use it in real life.